Come along with me as I make Oreo her food using her new seasoning. Today we're going to make her steak using the beef flavor. Now you can use this as a topper or you can use this as cooking like I make her food. So if I'm making it fresh or if I'm making it by the week, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to season her rice. Yes, I'm going to season her rice while I cook on the stove. So I'm going to add a little olive oil. Olive oil is good for dogs too. And then I'm going to top it off with my seasoning. Season it just like you season a steak. And it has all the herbs and spices a dog need to help them digest food and different things to help them if they don't eat regular dog food. So, as you can see, I'm also going to put a little seasoning in her carrots. I know I'm probably getting a little carried away, but it is what it is. We like our food seasoned over here, including my dog. So I'm going to cook this on a griddle using coconut oil because coconut oil is good to cook with if you're making dog food. So I'm going to go ahead and pan sear this on both sides. And while this cooking, look at it. It looks so good. And I can actually eat this myself because everything that's in it, I can eat it too. And this is our rice boiling. But let's go ahead and cook our peas and carrots. Peas and carrots is her favorite. That's what I mix in her food when I'm making batches. So if I'm making single, I make her some peas and carrots. I don't know what it is about peas and carrots. She like it. But this is the steak. This steak is done. Look how juicy this steak is. Look how flavorful it is. And let me tell you something. It goes to show that I did my thing and she actually liked it because look at her. She couldn't wait. Go ahead and get your little nibble before you get your whole little plate. She loves regular food. Like, I love giving it to her, and I think it's better than the dog food, but that's just my opinion. But here we go. We're going to put her rice in there. As you can see, her peas and carrots. We're going to add her steak, and this is her meal. Now, like I said, you can use this as a topper, or you can use this as cooking your food. And as you can see, Oreo loves it. She loves every bit of it. Now, she's a weird eater. She would pick her meat and put it on the floor, then eat it, then go back and eat this separately. I don't know why my dog does that. But hey, I let her eat her food however she wants to eat her food. Make sure y'all go on my website at talessiaskitchen.com and purchase our chicken or beef flavored seasoning. You don't want to miss this for your dogs.